This short guide shows how to buy shares of SK Telecom Co Ltd-ADR, ticker SKM, traded on NASDAQ. SK Telecom is a major South Korean telecommunications company providing mobile, network, and media services. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy SKM, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SKM to locate SK Telecom Co Ltd-ADR. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and select the result that matches the company name and ticker. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to see recent movements and basic details. Confirm the name SK Telecom Co Ltd-ADR and ticker SKM to ensure you have the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review order details such as order type and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your SKM position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor and view performance. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account. This is provided as an educational reference.